how to download Photolab app. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. If you are on your mobile device, you want to download the Photolab app, I'm going to show you how to do it. On an Android, you're going to jump into your Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you're going to jump into your App Store and go to the search bar. You're going to tap on that, and you're literally going to tap in Photolab, and you will find it within the top few results. Now, make sure that the one that you're looking for is actually the Line Rock Investments Ltd. This is Photolab Picture Editor and Art. This is the one that you want to download, and you want to tap on download. Now, once you have downloaded it, this is what the user interface will look like. You will be faced with the option to sign up for a free trial, and this trial will be, I think, 3 days. It may differ depending on your region. And basically, once you've done so, you can now go ahead and use their premium features for the 3 days. If you don't sign up for that free trial, you will not have access to those premium features. However, you will still have access to the non-premium features. You'll still be able to use the app. If you want to know how to use Photolab, you can go ahead, click on this video. I'll take you through the whole thing from A to Z. I'll see you there.